Here's how to easily add a zipper to your jacket pocket to take it from this to this without sewing, so let's get started. Lay your zipper out along the pocket and grab your ruler. Measure 2 inches along your zipper from the end of the pocket and cut off the excess zipper. On the other end of the zipper, cut off the excess material and use a lighter to seal the edges to prevent them from fraying. Now turn your zipper teeth facing down and line up the end of the zipper to the inside edge and pin it to stay in place. Continue to pin one side of the zipper down, and notice how I pinned the bottom part of the zipper first. Once the zipper is completely pinned down, there should only be a small space in between the two ends, and the other end of the zipper shouldn't be twisted. Now grab your speedsew fabric glue and a Q-tip. Apply an even layer of glue to the zipper, avoiding getting glued too close to the zipper teeth. Once that is done, apply even pressure to where you glued. Once one side is done, repeat the same steps on the other side of the zipper. Let the glue dry for at least half an hour, then you can remove all the pins and push the end of the zipper in. And just like that, you added a zipper to your pocket without sewing using speedsew fabric glue. Thanks for watching!